Hey guys, so today I just wanted to film an intro for my YouTube channel because I want to start making a lot of videos because it's something that I've always had a passion for, but I was just kind of nervous to start it. Whatever, I feel like that's pretty normal. But I just wanted to make a little intro video to kind of give people a generalization of who I am and what I want to be putting into this channel. So I'll just start off by explaining myself and everything, who I am. So first of all, my name is Ashley and I am a college student. So I'm 19 right now. I'm a sophomore at the University of Minnesota and I am majoring in strategic communications. If you don't know what that is, it's public relations, advertising, that type of stuff. And I'm also double majoring with that with psychology and minoring in Spanish, and I might want to minor in something else. I'm kind of figuring that out right now, but we'll see how that goes. But yeah, that's the main part of my life because obviously college takes up a lot of time. So for this channel, I kind of just want to make it a lifestyle channel, basically putting things that I already do into my life onto this channel. So organization and study tips, things like that, because I feel it'll make me more productive and also help me keep my life a little bit more organized, if that makes sense, because sometimes it can be really hard to stay motivated and everything in college with all the stuff happening around you. So I feel I would want to kind of help other people with that while also keeping myself on track for everything. And I also would do, I don't know, I feel just kind of the basic things like college, lifestyle, health and beauty, things like that that I already do. I'm obviously not a beauty guru or anything. I do super basic makeup, as you can probably tell. It's just I just kind of want to put some of the things that I'm already passionate about into this because this is something that I see myself having a huge passion for because of how long that I have wanted to pursue this. So I feel it's just I just need to do it. I just need to get out of my comfort zone and just put it out there because it really is something that I've been wanting to do for so long. And my boyfriend actually pushed me to finally start it because literally since we've been dating, he knows how much I've wanted to do it and he's helped me a lot with that. So shout out to him because I probably would not be here without his motivation for me. I think one thing that I would really like to put on this channel is just vlogs, because it really is going to be my everyday life with college and everything like that. I also have a part-time job. I can't film with that or anything, but the days that I'm not working, I would love to do day in my life or even week in my life, things like that, so you can see the life of a real college student, because it is not by any means an easy life. It's super stressful. Finals are coming up. Right now it's April 24th. I get out of school. I think my last exam is the 13th or 14th of May. So it's crunch time right now where all the procrastination just starts to creep up on you. But like I said before, I just want to put my life that's already happening out here. I want to be super real with you guys and just not have it be fake or anything like that. Obviously I'm not going to share every single aspect of my life on this, but things college that I'm going through, or when I start to get internships and everything like that, because I've been applying for a bunch of them, and just real things that real college students go through, because I feel I know I like to watch other YouTubers like Marco and Keaton. I'm sure you guys know who they are. They're my favorite YouTubers, and they just kind of watching their videos just motivates me to also work hard and be a good student, and no matter how busy you are, you can do it. They just motivate me a lot to stay committed to school and do my best, because it can be really hard to get down and super stressed with school. So I feel watching other people's videos sometimes honestly does help a lot, because you see how busy their lives are and then you really don't have an excuse, you know? But I just kind of want to be that person for other people. That would be awesome to have people watch my videos and feel more motivated to get things done, because I want this channel to also help people. Obviously it's going to be something that I love to do and a creative output for myself, but I would love if it ended up being something that people could watch to help themselves as well, if that makes sense. But I would love to have you along for this journey with me. I'm super excited to finally start it after years of wanting to do it. So, thank you for watching so much. It means the world to me. If you guys could subscribe, I would appreciate it more than you even understand. Give it a like, let me know what you would want to see out of this channel, because I definitely want to create content for people that they would enjoy watching and I would enjoy making as well. So I would just appreciate your guys' feedback as well, and I'm super excited to start this. Thank you for watching.